Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to become a pro member on the Room Planner application, thereby unlocking several features and functions that are only available to premium users. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the upgrade button down below, indicated by the image of a shopping cart. That's the third option. And as you can see, you have two options in the middle of the screen, such as personal or commercial. Tap on the relevant one that is relevant to you, and here at the personal section you can see that there are 3 offers available to you, such as the monthly subscription, yearly subscription, or weekly subscription. Here if you scroll down you can see all of the features that a particular pack contains. So click on the relevant one and then you will be able to continue with the process of purchasing it, and then you will be able to use the special features that are only available to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.